If you want to do cardio at home, have the idea of buying a treadmill, but don't have the extra floor space, we recommend getting a compact treadmill. Compact treadmills are smaller than commercial models. They're built with lightweight frames and usually have transportation wheels for portability. Some models can fold, taking minimum footprint when not in use. There are many products available to choose compact treadmills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best compact treadmills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Goplus Under-Desk Treadmill. Goplus's Under-Desk Treadmill is made for walking only. It has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, 6.5 kph, and a 1 HP motor. The unique thing about this Goplus is that it's just a thin, flat surface that looks kind of like a giant iPad. There are no handles and no folding mechanism. The LCD is a touchscreen with a large interface designed to be used by your feet. Since there is no handrails and panel in front of you, it comes with a remote control which allows you to change speed. This setup is great if you have minimal space, and the Goplus is incredibly easy to store flat under your desk or upright behind a door. If you aren't confident in your balance, you may need to walk in reach of your standing desk or wall, so you can steady yourself. The slow walking pace and very low height off the floor will give you confidence after just about a couple of minutes of walking on the treadmill. You'll forget about the handles. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 1407M Manual Walking Treadmill. If you are on a very tight budget, you can't find any cheaper treadmill that gives bang for the buck as this Sunny treadmill does. The SFT 1407M is a completely manual walking treadmill. It has a magnetic mechanism that is powered by your strides. The only electronics are in the tiny digital monitor that keeps track of your stats. The mechanism is based around dual flywheels at the front of the machine. When you push each foot against the running surface, it transfers power to the flywheels, which help you keep up fluid momentum. The maximum speed is technically as fast as you make it, but it's not a treadmill for sprinters. You can control the momentum easier depending on where you stand on the running surface. For example, if you stand near the front of the machine, you can up to a slow run, because this transfers momentum to the flywheels more quickly. If you stand near the back, you can stay at a nice, leisurely walking pace. Still, if you want to just walk, you can put a block of wood under the back of the running deck to level it out, so the treadmill is almost flat. Number 3. ERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill Black. ERRA's TR150 has a top speed of 10 miles per hour, 16 kph, albeit at a much more budget-friendly price than the NordicTrack. This treadmill's motor has a CHP, continuous horsepower, of 2.25 compared to the NordicTrack's 2.6 CHP. The 3 manual incline settings only go up to a maximum of 2 degrees. That's a very small incline, but at least it's better than not having any incline option. The folding mechanism of the TR150 is manual. You pull a locking pin and push the running deck up to collapse the machine to about half its original floor footprint. The folded deck is dubiously secured by a small metal rod that can slip easily, so we suggest not moving the machine while it's in its folded position. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. Sunny's SFT 4400 is a small foldable treadmill with adjustable speed and incline. There are 3 manual incline levels, the highest being just under 5 degrees. If you intend to use it for very long runs, the manual recommends turning off the treadmill for 10 minutes every 2 hours of continuous use. We're rating this treadmill as the best budget compact treadmill for its combination of specs and price. It's much cheaper than similar machines with basically the same top speed, incline, horsepower, and folding mechanism. It really is a great treadmill for its price. If you don't believe us, you can check the thousands of positive reviews it has on Amazon. And do keep in mind that it costs about half the price of some other treadmills with slightly higher ratings. Number 5. NordicTrack T-Series 6.5 Treadmill. The T6.5S is a smooth, quiet treadmill from NordicTrack. Its 2.6 CHP Dirks motor has 10 different speeds, maxing out at 10 miles per hour, 16 kph. The incline goes as high as 10 degrees, which is the steepest adjustable incline on our list. This is one of the most popular compact treadmills around. Standing the test of time in terms of reliability gives us peace of mind, though this comes at a price, literally. The NordicTrack T6.5S is the priciest compact treadmill on our list, about 50% more expensive than the runner-up. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.